Hey everyone, welcome back to Miss Bunnie, and if you're new, welcome. I hope you feel at home. Today I'm doing a short little video. Since all of us are in quarantine right now, I thought to share with you guys a little craft that I've been working on. I have been decorating some seashells, so I thought for all of you bored people you can get a little bit nosy into my life and see how I'm doing it. Alright, let's jump into it. Okay, so I'm starting out by painting my shell. And then once it's dry, I'm going to be putting on a top coat. It has a little bit of a pink tinge to it, so it really will show up nice on the shell since I also painted that pink. Oh, by the way, here's my nails. I do nail art too right now. Even though no one can see, it's kind of fun to do that. Maybe I'll do another video on my nails. Here's some other ones that I did. I used a sparkly top coat nail polish for this one. That's the bottle for it. Alright, here's some other ones I already painted. And I'm going to be using a top coat that has green sparkles in it. Top coat for nail polish that has green sparkles. For the other shell, I'm going to be doing a top coat nail polish that has golden sparkles in it. And it doesn't really matter, you can paint it in any direction, which is really nice as a top coat, so it doesn't matter. If you go front, back, side to side, it will look pretty inlined. It won't look messed up, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about that. It won't look messy. So you can paint it however you wish. For the third one, I'm just going to give it a clear top coat, so it's going to make it really shiny. I like the top coat that are clear because it gives it a really nice shine to it. Oh yes, for this one here, I'm going to be doing a top coat that has the sparkles in it, like the shells I showed you earlier, the pink ones. This is the same sparkly nail polish that I'm using to put on it. And notice too, remember that any nail polish, even if it's like a clear one, it's going to darken your shells a little bit, so always remember that it will darken the shells. As you can see, each one that I painted, they get a little bit darker afterwards. Alright, so here's the final product. You can see the other ones that I've painted. You can see different type of nail polish top coats I put on. The blue ones are my favorite. I painted them blue and put the clear sparkly top coat on it. So here's the final product. All of them are a little bit different. I really had fun doing this, and I got a lot more to do too, so maybe I'll do a part 2 and show you the rest and how I did them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see more. Bye everyone.